Welcome to Drawliper channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to add calendar widget in your Samsung Galaxy A15 phone. Now the first thing you have to do is touch and hold on the home screen, and at the bottom you can see widgets option. Then just go to widgets. Now from here scroll down a bit, then go to calendar option. Now from here you can add calendar widget. You can see 4 kinds of calendar widget, and you can set any calendar widget on the home screen as you want. If you want to set this calendar widget, just touch and hold it and drag it to the home screen. And it's done. Now you can see the calendar widget has been added successfully on the home screen. If you want to customize your calendar widget, just touch and hold it, then go to settings option. From here you can change your calendar widget theme. You can choose white mode or dark mode. You can also increase or decrease your calendar widget opacity from here. Then tap on save, and it's changed successfully. And that is how you can add calendar widget in your Samsung Galaxy A15 phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.